Effective marketing is crucial for the success of any poultry farming business. If you want to reach your target audience and sell your poultry products, it's important to have a clear strategy in place. Here's a breakdown of key strategies that you can use. Firstly, identify your target market. Determine the specific products you are selling, whether it's eggs, meat, chicks, breeding stock, or value-added products like organic eggs or pre-marinated chicken. Additionally, consider the customer type you want to reach. Are you targeting wholesale buyers such as restaurants and supermarkets, individual consumers at farmers markets, or a mix of both? Crafting a compelling marketing message is essential. Highlight the unique selling points of your poultry products. What sets them apart from the competition?